What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be installing these side strakes right here for the S2000. I got these painted quite a bit ago, probably about 3 weeks, and I haven't installed it yet. The proper way to install these from factory, you're supposed to drill into the car from underneath and use this kind of nut washer type thing. I don't know how to explain it, but pretty much you drill a big hole, you put the washer in, and when you tighten it, it flattens out like this and it holds it in pretty tight. I don't want to do that. And besides, this piece I have, there's no bottom section, so this is supposed to have a little black bottom section here to hide that bolt or that mounting bracket. So in this case, I'm just gonna go ahead and install it like that using double-sided tape like this. So on top of using double-sided tape, after prepping this panel very well, we're gonna go ahead and drill 2 screws as well. 2 holes actually. We're gonna drill 2 holes, and I'm gonna be using these little screws here, but they're like little 8mm screws, and we're gonna go ahead and drill that in. So first things first, I want to go ahead and get this mounted. I have a drill bit. It's really small, but we're gonna go ahead and use that as a pilot hole and then slowly bore it out. So what I want to do is make sure the body line of the skirt goes with the body line of the car. So that's really important. And naturally it should just sit really flush with the car. I'm going to go ahead and start drilling. Okay, for this one right here, I'm going to center as much as I can. Just going to drill a little bit just to make a mark, and down here as well. Okay, 1 pilot hole. Okay, after the pilot hole is done, you want to go ahead and slowly increase the size of the drill bit and go a little bit bigger. Once you drill out the holes big enough, okay, I want to get a screw. So I want to go ahead and grab a screw that's the same as the bolt that I'm using. So as you can see here, I'm using this bolt. I'm going to use a screw that's almost the same diameter, and I'm just going to go ahead and drill this in to widen it slightly like this, like that. That's all you're going to need. So now the new screw should fit in there real nicely once I tighten it down with a wrench. Okay, here it is, the side strakes installed. I really like it. I think it's a nice little touch to the side of the car, considering it's mainly flat all the way through, but it just adds a little bit of, you know, detail to the car. If you caught that off camera, we're gonna do that in another video, but this is just for this video. Looking good. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a very quick modification install for this S2000, those OEM side strakes. For those of you who really like that, it's really easy to install for the most part. So just take your time, line it up, and it should look equally as good as a dealership would have installed it. So there you go. I'm gonna end this video here. Please stay tuned for the next video. I hope to do more videos on this S2000. I've been kind of behind, but I'm gonna go ahead and catch up on that real quick. So see you then. Peace.